Hello children. Children, we already know what is mass. Let's quickly revise. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter in any object. Mass is measured in grams and kilograms. We have already been doing some sums in our daily classes regarding the conversions of weight. Let us revise in today's class some more sums on conversion of weight. Remember, what is weight? It is the measure of how heavy something is. So let us begin today's class. Gram is a metric system unit of mass. Value of 1 kilograms is 1000 grams. Children, heavier weight or objects which are heavy are measured in kilograms, and objects which are not so heavy and are lighter in weight are measured in grams. Remember one thing children, whenever we are converting kilograms to grams, we always multiply the number by 1000. And whenever we are converting from grams to kilograms, we are supposed to divide the number by 1000. Let us learn to convert first kilograms into grams. Suppose I have 2 kilograms of flour and I want the value in grams. So what am I supposed to do? Yes, as the value of 1 kg is 1000 grams. So remember, we need to multiply the number by 1000 to convert kilograms into grams. Hence 2 kilograms will be multiplied by 1000. So we will get 2000 grams as the converted value of 2 kilograms. Let's try another example. Here I have 7 kilograms of cookies. Now I want to know the value of 7 kilograms in grams. So I'm going to multiply 7 kilograms with 1000. And hence we get 7000 grams as the converted value of 7 kilograms. Let us convert 2 kilograms and 455 grams into kilograms. As we already know, the value of 1 kg is 1000 grams. So the value given in kilograms will be multiplied by 1000. As here you can see, I have multiplied the value of kilograms with 1000 grams. 2 kg, here 2 multiplied by 1000, we are getting 2000 grams. Now we already have the converted value of 2 kilograms as 2000 grams. Now remember, the value given in grams will be added to the converted value of kilograms. So 2000 grams will be added to 455 grams to get the final value in grams. Hence, we have converted 2 kg 455 grams into grams entirely. Let us now practice converting grams to kilograms. Remember children, we are supposed to divide by 1000 whenever we are converting from grams to kilograms. Let us begin. Let us convert 4000 grams into kilograms. We are going to divide it by 1000, the value of grams. So 4000 grams will be divided by 1000. We are going to shift to 3 decimal places when we are dividing by 1000. Children, here there are 3 zeros in 1000. So we are going to shift to 3 decimal spaces, 1, 2, 3, and give a point before these 3 decimal places in the given value. So for example, in 4000, the last 3 digits will be 1, 2, 3 placed after the decimal point. So we can express the value in 2 ways. First way is to express it in decimal. So we can write it as 4.000 kgs, and another way is to write it directly as 4 kgs. Let us convert 5678 grams into kilograms. Remember children, whenever we are converting from grams to kilograms, we always divide the number by 1000. We are going to shift to 3 decimal spaces whenever we are dividing by 1000. As there are 3 zeros in 1000, looking at the numerator, we are going to shift from last 3 digits 1, 2 and 3, as there are 3 zeros in 1000, and put a decimal point here to express the value in decimals. Now children, the final answer will be called as 5.678 kilograms, or you may also write it as 5 kg 678 grams. So how do we shift to 3 decimal places children? Count 3 zeros here, 1, 2, 3 in 1000s, and look at the 3 places in the numerator. 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal point here to express the number in decimal. Even if we have a 5-digit number to be divided by 1000 children, we again are going to shift 3 places for the decimal only. 1, 2, 3 zeros in 1000, 1, 2, 3 places to be taken after the decimal point, and rest of the numbers to be taken before the decimal point. So we can express this as 12.450. Let's compare the values now. Let us compare 6 kg 500 grams with 7 kg 300 grams. First, look at the greater values, kilograms and kilograms. What are the numbers? 6 kg here and 7 kg here. It is very clear from the first digits with kilograms that 7 kg 300 grams is greater than 6 kg 500 grams. Now, in this question, the units are different. First number is given in kilograms and the second value is given in grams. So you need to convert the kilogram value into grams. After that, we will compare the numbers. So 4 kg can be written as 4000 grams. Since 1 kg has 1000 grams, so 4 kg will have 4000 grams. Now we have the similar units on both the sides, grams here also and grams here also. So now let us compare the numbers. We have 4000 to be compared with 3450. So now compare the numbers as the units are same now. 4000 will be compared to the second number as 3450 given. Obviously 4000 is greater than 3450. So this will be marked as the greater number. Let's learn to arrange and add the values of mass. Let us add 37 kgs 821 grams to 50 kg 889 grams. Let us place them under their correct columns. 37 kg goes in the kg column, 821 grams goes to the grams column, 50 kg goes to the kg column, and 889 goes to the grams column. Now let's add. 9 and 1 or 1 and 9 will be 10, 0 to be placed here, 1 going to the next column. Now 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 3 plus 8 would be 11. 1 here and 1 goes to the next column. Now 8 plus 8 will be 16. 16 plus 1 will be 17. So 7 goes here and 1 flies to the next value column, kilograms column. So 37 can be called as 38 kgs. But let us add it according to the place values. 37, out of 37, let's take 7 First, 7 plus 1 would be 8. 8 plus 0 will be 8 again. And 3 and 5 will be 8. So the value is 88 kilograms, 710 grams.
Remember children, we always use liters and milliliters as the standard unit to measure the capacity of any container or to measure the amount of liquids. Children, let us arrange and add the values of capacity now. Let us add 9 liter 106 milliliters to 16 liters 981 milliliters. Children, make sure to arrange them in the correct liter and milliliter columns. All the values must be arranged properly according to the liter and milliliter column in this question here. Now, 9 can be written as 09 in liter column and 106 will be written in the milliliters column. Similarly, for the second set, 16 will be written in the liters column and 981 will be written in the milliliters column. Start adding from the milliliters column first. 6 plus 1 will be 7, 0 plus 8 will be 8, 1 plus 9 is 10, 0 to be mentioned here and 1 will be carried over to the liters column. This become 10 liters, 9 and 1. But let us add it column wise. So 9 and 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 will be 16. So 6 here, 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So your final answer is 26 liters and 87 milliliters.